Okay. All right. The type of motion is random. Okay. Can? Okay. The graph shows the change in temperature as the gas is cooled. What is kind of reaction? This is called a cooling curve. Okay. Can? All right. So what happens is it starts with a gas. How do you know it starts with a gas? Because you say gas. So here's gas. Here is gas plus liquid. Here is liquid plus solid. And here's solid. So here is freezing. Here is condensation. Okay. A bottle of liquid perfume is left open at the front of a room. After some time, the perfume is smelled at the back of the room. Physical processes. Okay, if it's liquid to become gas, it's called evaporation. And the second thing that happens is called diffusion. Convection, no. Diffusion, diffusion. Okay, do you understand? All right. An endothermic reaction occurs when calcium nitrate is heated. What is this called? Thermal decomposition. How do you balance the equation? You always balance the element last. Okay, so 2, 2, 4, 1. If you don't write 1, it's fine. Yeah. You don't have to write the 1. Hmm? Okay, I show you. Okay. First, you see the calcium. One calcium, one calcium. One, two nitrogen, two nitrogen. 3 times 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cannot, must do half. No. So you have to take everything times 2. 2, 2, 4, 1. Girls. Okay. Hmm? All right. The test for nitrate ion is the same, almost the same as the test for what? Ammonium ion. No. These two, both also you add sodium hydroxide. Both also you heat. Both also ammonia gas come out. Therefore, the ammonia gas is tested with litmus paper. The difference is nitrate, you put a piece of aluminium foil. Ammonium ion got no aluminium foil. Get it? Okay. Add in a test tube with aluminium foil and sodium hydroxide solution and heat. Gas, ammonia gas turns red litmus blue. Remember, these two are very, very, very similar. All right? Can? Got it? Okay. What is meant by the term electrolysis? Okay, I told you this before. Definition is not what you feel. Okay, the breakdown or decomposition of ionic compound in molten or aqueous using electricity. Can I skip something? Cannot. The main ore of aluminium bauxite. Why aluminium cannot be extracted? Okay, this one you must memorize the reactivity series. What is the reactivity series? Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, carbon, zinc. Aluminium pass already lah. No need to. Hydrogen, copper, silver, gold. Okay? Platinum if you want to lah. The ones that are above, extract using electrolysis of molten ore. The one that is in between here, you use carbon. The one that is here exists as element. Why aluminium cannot be extracted with carbon? Because more reactive. You must mention aluminium is more reactive than carbon. Describe the role of cryolite. Okay. Wait. Okay, you all done with this first? Okay, do you remember how the electrolysis looks like? Okay, so top is what? Negative or positive? Hmm? The top of the electrolysis, the top is positive or negative? Positive. Bottom is negative. So, because aluminium oxide, aluminium which is negative must go up to form oxygen. But because this is made from graphite, what happens? Carbon dioxide also forms. Get it? Aluminium ion will sink to the bottom to form aluminium ore, also aluminium molten, and then it will go out here as pure aluminium because it's negative down below, right? Okay, the melting point is 2000. Can you use 2000? Cannot. So you add cryolite. If you say cryolite lowers the melting point, wrong. It does. What happens is cryolite is the electrolyte, sorry, the solvent. Aluminium oxide dissolves in it so that it can become ions and it lowers the operating temperature. Okay, so there's two that you always write. Lowers operating temperature and then increases electrical conductivity. You need to know both because sometimes it's a 2-mark question.
I just reduce cost.
No, cannot. Cost cannot. Yeah, sorry. Okay, you cannot say cost. Oh, why?
Why?
Cannot. Because the answer cannot be something to do with costs. Get it? Okay. The product formed at the positive electrode is oxygen. Half equation for negative. Two properties of aluminium that make it suitable for overhead. Good conductor of electricity. The other one is low density.
What? He got 80 out of 7. And he got 70 out of 77 out of 70.
For what?
For fine.
Very good.
No.
Who?
Right.
Um,
57.
you got what?
Um,
That's quite low.
Say above 70%, so the grade itself is A, but the numbers not that good.
Yeah, no, the number's not that good. If you want to get A star, must get above 70.
80% all science and like so. Bio and fun.
Well, a lot of my students, but a lot of my students couldn't get A star for bio, they got A star for chem.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Most of my students A star chem, but bio A, some have got A star lah, but mostly A.
Bio, I wrote all the explanation correctly, but I didn't put a certain keyword, so I lost so much.
Yeah, bio you must study the what do you call it?
The marking.
Marking scheme, syllabus content.
So like,
Marking scheme is dependent on question ma, so syllabus content.
no, I said the lung increases and inspiration, then the marking says the volume of lung increases.
What did you write?
I said the lung increases.
Of course cannot. It has to be volume of lung, of course. Okay, a word equation for the formation of rust. Okay, so it's iron plus water plus oxygen. If you don't know, this is really sad lah. So hydrated, iron 3 oxide. Do you need to know the formula of this? Yeah. And say how many water? So John, Fe2O3 is 2. This one is 5. This one is 6. Do you need to remember? Yes, you need to remember these 3. Huh? Okay? Hey, girls. All right, you need to remember these 3. Give 2 ways in which the properties of transition elements differ from group 1. So they don't say chemical or physical, so you can write either one. So transition element can be used as a catalyst and forms colored compounds. Multiple various oxidation state can. Okay. All right. Polymers, there are 2 kinds of links. Polymers, there are 2 kinds of links. There is polyester and there is polyamide. There is polyester and polyamide. Polyester would be COO. And then the other one would be O like that. Polyester is from an ester link. The 2 monomers would be this one. Remember how ester is made from carboxylic acid and alcohol? So this is the acid. This one is the alcohol. So this is the monomer. This one is monomer 1. This one is monomer 2. It will repeat itself. Monomer 1, monomer 2, monomer 1, monomer 2. In order for the monomer to join together, it's called condensation because it removes a molecule of water. H2O is removed. For each link, H2O is removed. Get it? So that is polyester, one of the condensation polymerization. Polyamide is almost the same. You need to remember amino acid also. Okay, we do polyamide first. So the concept of the acid is the same. COOH, COH, this part is the same. But the amide part, it is NH2, NH2. Same thing, the two will join together. They join by removing a molecule of water. Same concept. Okay? So when you move the molecule of water, it becomes this one. This is amide link. So this one is originally one. This one is originally one. See how it's repeating itself? You can see or not? So this one, the one that's shaded is COOH, originally an acid. Okay, and then this one is NH2. Originally amino. Okay, wait, don't forget this part. The question says, circle one amide linkage. Amide link is this part. This is the amide link. Do you understand? When they are linked together, what's the other product that is formed? Water. Because water is removed. That's why it's called condensation. Okay, get it? Name the items that are made from nylon are often disposed by burying them in the ground. It's called landfill. Okay, it is non-biodegradable. That's the problem. Name a natural polymer. For protein, it's natural because the amino is one side, the acid is the other side. This is a monomer called amino acid. Do you remember? Okay. All right. I'm giving you a 2-minute break before we do the next one. Okay, I'm going to ask you the next one. Oh. Okay, Jake, I just sent to you. Okay, on Zoom.
Okay.
Jake, did you get the second one?
Yeah.
Okay. Shh, girls. I cannot hear myself think. All right. I'm going to give you the second one. The rest you go home and do as homework. What I want you to do now is the one about organic chemistry. Page 10. Starting from page 10. Just do from page 10 to the end first. Okay? Start with page 10. If it makes you happy, after this we do coloring, okay? Yeah, we do coloring. I bring things for you all to cut. Pretty, pretty. You know, you look like your brain's gonna explode now. We do coloring. So happy, right? Okay, please be quiet. Start doing from page 10. Do from page 10. Yeah, start from page 10. The rest you do at home, but you start from page 10. Huh? Sorry, what? Send what? Homework? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I always send. All right, now propane reacts with chlorine in a photochemical reaction as shown. Photochemical means a reaction that requires UV light. What other photochemical reaction do you know? Photosynthesis. If you write down what type of reaction it is, photochemical, I'm going to slap you because if you're not copying from the question. So what is it? Substitution. What condition is needed for photochemical reaction? UV light. You cannot just say light, you must say UV light. Two compounds, two structural isomers. Okay, you have to draw C3H7 Cl. You can draw the Cl on the first or the second.
Yay.
So one chloropropane and two chloropropane. This one is one chloropropane. This one is two chloropropane. Do you get it? Okay. Propene does addition. Okay, why is it an addition? Why is it addition? Because the question says so. Only one product. Addition is only one product. Okay. Okay. This one, you need to count all. Did you count? Yeah, I'm going to check that. So I'm going to go one by one. I'll go by. So,
What?
okay. What, negative 171. Did you get negative 171?
679.
Wait first. Hello. Did you get negative 171? What did you get?
I got negative 171.
Okay. So why is this answer 854 and 1025 different from yours? Because what they did is they didn't count all. But in nowadays, the new marking scheme, you must count all. That means,
But how do they not?
wait lah, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 413 plus CH 612 CC 347 CCL CL 242. Can you see that? I think a lot of you forgot this one, the CC. CC is 347. Okay, so your total is
6, 7.
3679. Okay, out is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 413 plus this one CC 2. 2 times 347 plus CCL 2 times 339. You get 3850. Get it?
How do they get like this one
You just don't count.
page?
You just don't count the one that didn't change. So you don't count this one. You don't count this one. Same one. You don't count this one, you get the same answer. You understand? Okay. Here is carboxylic acid. Therefore, carboxylic acid is still an acid. Acid and metal, salt and hydrogen. Acid and carbonate, salt and carbon dioxide and water. That's why you get bubbling. Get it? This one, OH is alcohol. This one is alkene. Alkene with bromine is orange to colorless. You cannot write brown, huh? Okay. For addition polymerization, this one, all you need to do is this double bond becomes single bond and then repeat like that. That's it.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, so see, they said one repeat unit. This line must go on, COOH, CH2OH, HH. That's it. No, nothing changes. Literally, the double bond opens up. The one that changes is addition polymerization. Sorry, condensation polymerization. This is addition polymerization. Highlight the word addition.
The concentration point change to
Huh?
the condensation polymer.
Condensation is different. The question already says addition. Addition is when the double bond opens up and then becomes single bond.
This sequence.
Sorry? COOH, CH2OH. What are you talking about? CH. Condensation. Okay. What type of condensation? Look at this. They say what type? What type is polyester or polyamide? Is there any NH2 that you see here? No, so it's polyester lah. Because polyester is made from carboxylic acid and alcohol. Get it or not? Cannot. I will kill you. Don't need to sacrifice anything. Hey, don't keep yet. Not yet time. Not horrible children. Oi, keep doing. You go home, you won't do one. Do from question. Start doing from question 1. Don't be lazy.
It's just coloring.
Yeah, yeah, color, color. You color whatever you want, okay?
Really? Eh? Oh, no.